So here's my monkey tail skinks this morning. There's Brida hiding out in this pothos plant here. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. She's such a little fatty. Look how big she is. She's been eating so much since I've gotten her. Oh my goodness. And then Osbert is over here. Hey, buddy. He's so cute. Hi. You're a little fatty too. Oh, they're so adorable. And they've really been eating these pothos plants. Look at that. All these bite marks. It's a good thing that I have 5 of these plants now that I switch out. I was just in here and I saw them both out, so I thought I would take a quick video. Let me see if I can get them out. Hold on, let me try to pause this. Oh yeah, here we go. Alright, so here's Brida. Hey, pretty girl! Look at how fat she is now. Oh my goodness. Hey! Hi, pretty! Look at that. Look at your big belly. And she's been eating all kinds of stuff. All kinds of greens, her pothos plants, some fruits. Yeah, I discovered that they don't like strawberries. I tried to give them both strawberries the other day, and neither one of them wanted any. They really like bananas. Huh. Hey! They are just so adorable. What are you doing? Are you trying to hold on really good? You're not going to fall off. You're not going to fall off. You're all right. You're not going to fall. I have you here. I think she's like trying to find a better foothold here. Hi, you're so cute. Oh my goodness. So adorable. Alright, I'm going to try to get, I'm going to take Osbert out so you can see him real quick. Here, you want to go back in here? Here, go back in there. Yeah, and this is just their temporary home. I'm actually going to build them a big enclosure this summer. An adult enclosure. It's probably going to be around the same size as my green tree monitor enclosure that I have, which is going to be pretty cool. Let's see here. Let's see if I can get Osbert. Oh, yeah, here we go. Hey, buddy. How you doing? It's so cool that they look different. I really like that. I really like how Brida is very dark and has a different pattern than Osbert here. Osbert's lighter and he's got like all these cool speckling things here. I think they're both really pretty. Hey, buddy! I know, I disturbed you. You were back. Yeah, so they've both been eating a lot, gaining weight, which is good. I'm happy about that. So adorable. Oh my goodness. I really love these guys. Here, let's get in better lighting here. Oh, there we go. That's much better. Hey, buddy. Are you gonna come up here? Wait. Wait. I can't see you if you come up here anymore. Oh my goodness, look at that face. Look at that face. Alright, well I'm going to put him back in here and water them. That's what I was just about to do. Ozzy, you want to get down? Oh, I don't know if I can pick you up from here. Oh. Where'd Brida go? She's in there somewhere. Here. Ozzy, go in there. Go on. There you go. They're so cute. What is it? Boston lettuce or something down there. Where's my sprayer here? Let me get it. Alright, here we go. Yeah, they don't really like to be sprayed with the water, but they drink the water droplets sometimes. But most of the time they just, I think they get the moisture from their food rather than drinking the water. I've seen Brida drinking at the water bowl once, but not Ozzy. Brida's back here somewhere. I think Ozzy is back here. Somebody's tail. That's Ozzy's tail. There he is. So cute. Alright, well that's my little update on these guys.